Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZkSync era airdrop and few of the updates on the ZkSync era. Now few of the latest airdrop have been a disappointment and hopefully ZkSync doesn't disappoint us. So before we move on to ZkSync era airdrop, GRVT is a multi-chain or hyperchain you can say on ZkSync era, and they would be doing an airdrop in the future. Now if you don't have an account on GRVT, you can use my invite link over here, because you will need to have an invite code or invite link in order to create an account on GRVT. Now I have like 10 weekly quota over here. You can use it in order to get the GRVT account for yourself. Now once you have the account, you can complete this basic task over here in order to get this loot boxes over here. Now in the future we don't know what would be inside the loot boxes, but hopefully there would be GRVT tokens. So now let's talk about the Ethereum price over here. As you can see, in the past 7 days Ethereum is up by 26%. This is because of the expected Ethereum ETF approvals, and hopefully if we get the ETF approvals, then we can see Ethereum reaching its all-time high very easily, which was close to around $4,800. Now to be honest, Ethereum is getting expensive, and that's the reason why I am actually stacking Ethereum every day in order to swap it for different coins and tokens across different L2s. Now to be honest, I'm heavily invested in ZkSync, and I think that the NFTs and altcoins on the ZkSync era should do good once the airdrop for ZkSync era is confirmed. Now, with regards to the airdrop on ZkSync era, we are expecting it to be somewhere in July. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research. Everything is speculation because the team haven't announced as to what will be the exact date with regards to the airdrop. And hopefully, ZkSync era airdrop would be the biggest airdrop ever in crypto's history as of date, and hopefully we get a decent chunk out of ZkSync era airdrop. Now after the airdrop, I haven't decided what to do with the airdrop. If I get any, like whether to go ahead and sell a certain portion or maybe lock it into some liquidity pool, I am not sure, but it will completely depend on the price as to what would be the price of ZkSync era at the time of release. Now, if we talk about some of the updates on ZkSync era, now there is a problem with ZkSwap Finance over here, and as you can see, GoDaddy has suspended their domain name, and that's the reason why you are not able to access ZkSwap site over here. As you can see, this site can't be reached. Now, uh, hopefully they get it resolved, because ZkSwap Finance is one of the biggest DEX on ZkSync era, and there are good coins and tokens that you can swap on ZkSwap Finance. So even I am waiting for them in order to go ahead and actually resolve the issue with GoDaddy. Although they have some alternative link, which is this one, zkheat.info. I think you can use this in order to go ahead and swap your coins and tokens over here by simply connecting your wallet. Now you can also use the paymasters features over here. So they have this long and other coins and tokens where you can complete some paymaster transactions on the ZkSync era network. Now Bitget has announced that there would be ZkSync pre-market trading, which would be launching on 22nd. Now today's 23rd, I think it's already launched over here, because if we go ahead and check the OTC market over here on Bitget, as you can see, this is ZK-Link Nova, then there is Tyco, Lista is there, ZkSync is there, Layer 0 is there, Ionet is there, and EigenLayer is there. So all these good coins are available for pre-trading on the Bitget over here. Now if we talk about the Satori Finance over here, as you can see, they also have this pre-list, which is ZKS to USD, and this would be open for trading in few days. I think it will start along with Bitget, or maybe they might wait for some announcement from the ZkSync. Now this similar trading pair was available on Hold Station over here, but for some reason they removed it. I think ZkSync team told them to remove it because we are not able to find the trading pair of ZKS to USD anymore on Hold Station futures. Now if we talk about the coins and tokens on the ZkSync era, they are doing a pretty good job, to be honest. For example, If we talk about this meme coin over here, as you can see, ZkSync is up by around 100% in the past 24 hours. Now I made like 3x in few days on ZkSync, and I've sold ZkSync today because it was a decent return for me, 3x. And what I will do is I will wait for it to be corrected, and once it's fallen down a bit, I will go ahead and buy this meme coin again, which is ZkSync. Now I also did some profit booking on different coins and tokens on ZkSync Era network today. For example, I did some profit booking on Beanie over here because this was also up by around 12%, I think. So now it's down because there have been some sell off, but as you can see the chart over here, it's up, and I did some profit booking of around $200 or so on Beanie. But overall, like there are different coins and tokens that are doing extremely well, and hopefully we can see during ZK summer that all these coins and tokens give us like 10x, 20x, 30x return. You may never know. And once again, none of this is the financial advice. Do your own research. But I am like very positive on these coins and tokens on ZkSync Era. So just to give you few of the alphas, uh, I like ZkSync. ZkSync should do good because if we talk about the overall market cap, it's close to like $500,000 of market cap and still has a huge potential to grow. Now there had been a major pullback over here, as you can see. There was this big correction over here, and at this time what I kept doing is like I kept DCing all the way over here, and then I bought some massive chunk again over here and made 3x on ZkSync. Now similarly, if we talk about some good coins and tokens, now ZK Finance is also down. The reason being maybe because of their domain issues with GoDaddy. Hopefully they get it resolved. Now this one is a bigger one because I think this one is about 30 million market cap over here. Whole Station is a pretty strong coin on the ZkSync Era. Then this is the blue chip meme coin on ZkSync Era, which is Meow, and it's currently sitting around 17.16 million market cap. And to be honest, it has a potential to even reach 1 billion market cap. You may never know. It all depends on the liquidity that will flow on the ZkSync Era network. Now then there is Zoro is also a good meme coin. Then there is Koi. Koi is a utility coin, but if we talk about the FDV of Koi, it's like very high, which is like around 64.2 million US dollars. And then there is another meme coin which is Basmati. Now Basmati rice, you can call it. It's sitting around 338 million market cap. I'm bullish on this one, which is a AI coin and token on the ZkSync Era, which is Auto Air AI. And Longmao is also a decent meme coin, to be honest. So what I'm doing is I'm DCing into all of these coins and tokens, and hopefully they should give a decent return. Now today I purchased few of these reactor fusion coins, and along with that I also purchased some Velocore over here, and Mute. I think I have sold all the Mute coins and tokens. I'm not sure. I will need to check. I have this on ZAT. I have it on Gate.io. I don't have it in this wallet over here. And this D-apt launchpad. This token is also good. So there are a lot of them. I mean, there is Duty's meme coin, which can be also used for paymasters, and there are other coins and tokens on ZkSync Era network as well. Now, as I told you, I've decided to deploy like $3,000. I've already deployed like around $1,000 today, and I'm still waiting for few coins and tokens on the ZkSync Era in order to go ahead and deploy the next $2,000. And hopefully, like I'm not sure because I'm expecting $4,000 more from some of the profits that I have made on some different coins and tokens. And I'm thinking whether to go ahead and deploy it on the ZkSync Era network, or maybe buy some AI or DPIN, or maybe some gaming coins and tokens apart from ZkSync Era network on centralized exchange. So let's see how it works out. Now this is with regards to Beanie. I did some profit booking of around $200 over here. ZkSync I've already told you. You can basically SyncSwap is yet to do the airdrop over here, and hopefully we can see a decent airdrop on SyncSwap in the future. Now Basically what you can do is you can keep swapping on SyncSwap, because right now the gas fees on ZkSync era is almost negligible, and plus they have this gas cashback which is up to 90% over here, so barely you are paying anything on the ZkSync era network if you want to go ahead and transact anything. And to be honest, the transactions on ZkSync era network are pretty fast. Now they also have some liquidity pools over here where you can go ahead and add some liquidity full pool for potential airdrop. Although we don't know the criteria from SyncSwap yet, but hopefully once you add this to a liquidity pool and complete some swap transactions, you might be eligible for SyncSwap airdrop. Now if we talk about the NFTs on the ZkSync era network, now some NFTs have cooled down a bit. Now the newer ones have done a decent job over here. As you can see, ZK slot now their volume in like 2 or 3 days is around 11.16 ETH with overall supply of around 3,333 slots, and the floor price is still like only 0.0068. Now I have 7 of these if I remember correctly, and I have some other NFTs also. I like a lot of them on the ZkSync era network. So this was with regards to ZK slots. Now Frenzy Frogs minting was a disaster because there was a problem on their website, and hence they had to decrease the overall circulating supply of Frenzy Frogs over here. And as you can see, the floor price of Frenzy Frogs is lower than the mint price for OGs also. So I'm not sure whether this will kick off in the later stage, because this launchpad was supposed to be a successful launchpad, but there had been few problems in the past with regards to Frenzy Frogs. There was this wallet drainer scam link on their other Discord channel, and this was due to scammers making a fake link of Frenzy Frogs. And I'm not sure what happened, because that official link was there on their official Twitter page, and few of the people got their wallet drained. So you have to be very careful while connecting your main wallet with anything. Never believe, always use a burner wallet in order to mint different NFTs or buy coins from unknown sources. So Frenzy Frogs, if they recover, then hopefully they recover, because then they would be able to plan the next decent launchpad on ZkSync era network, hopefully. Now today, with regards to today's mint, it was unxwKY labs over here, and as you can see, in the past 24 hours around 329 have been sold. Now this mint was on Bingit, so let me go ahead and show you Bingit. Now we'll wait for the site to load over here, and as you can see, the mint is complete now. 4,000 have been minted. Now I have 3 of this as of now. Let's see, I will hold a few of this because this looks like a potential NFT collection, hopefully. Or maybe if the price drops, I might go ahead and buy few of this over here. Now with regards to Trala, now Trala, as you can see, around more than half of Trala OG NFTs have already been minted. Now I have opened too many gacha tickets over here, but still I'm not able to get a Trala OG NFT. Now after the mint, if I still don't get any Trala OG NFT, I will go ahead and purchase one of this in the secondary market from Element Marketplace over here. So as you can see, currently the floor price is around 0.021 ETH, which roughly equates to I think around $80 or so. So this is with regards to the ZkSync era airdrop update, and hopefully it would be done in the month of July or maybe somewhere in August. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.